So Google just released a crazy new AI image editor called Nano Banana, and in my opinion, this AI is a complete game changer. Hands down, it's the best image editing tool I've ever seen. Better than ChatGPT, better than Photoshop, and even better than Canva. The craziest part, it's completely free to use. I'm going to show you how to create your own AI selfie twin and even make videos using your AI twin with VO3 for your faceless content pages. Now, before I jump into the video, if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be making more videos like this to help you create digital marketing content and digital products using Canva and AI. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to gemini.google.com. Once you're there, sign in with your Google account. Next, click on Tools, then click on Image. You'll see a little banana icon, then click Image again. I'm going to upload a selfie photo. It asks me what I want to do with this photo, so I tell it to change her to facing forward. Instantly, it changes her so she's looking directly into the camera. Now, I'll give it a detailed prompt to make it a full body picture and change her outfit. Wow, that's amazing. It did exactly what I asked. Next, I'll change her background and add a few elements. I asked it to change the background to a modern, cozy living room, and this is what it gave me. Looks pretty good. Then I asked it to change her pose and add an iPhone as if she's taking a selfie, and again, it delivered. Now I wanted to zoom in while still keeping her full body in view. The result looks great. Next, I'm going to create a video using VO3. I'll save this image, click Create Video with VO3, and select New Chat. Then I'll upload the photo I just saved and describe what I want her to be doing. Since she's already in position, I'll just have her taking a selfie, throwing up a peace sign, and then her puppy jumps onto the couch as she turns around and laughs. The video looks awesome. I can tweak it if I want or just download. For this example, I'll download it and show you how you can use it as content for TikTok or Instagram. You can even use it for faceless accounts. Just add some text overlay and now you have an AI influencer twin without ever recording yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and drop a comment below if you have any questions. You can also check out my Nano Banana PDF tutorial guide linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.